In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to a report in Salesforce. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or ensure you always have the latest data at your fingertips, subscribing to a report can be a game changer. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to begin by locating the app launcher, which is kind of like your command center in Salesforce. Once there, navigate to the Reports section. This is where all your existing reports are stored, and it's the place where you can select the report you wish to subscribe to. Take your time here to select the specific report that will be most beneficial for your needs. Once you've chosen the report, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an Edit button, but what we're interested in is the small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this arrow, and you'll see an option labeled Subscribe. Go ahead and select that. At this point, you'll be presented with a variety of options to configure your subscription to meet your individual needs. These customizable settings are what make subscriptions so powerful, so let's walk through them. First up is frequency. Salesforce allows you to choose how often you want updates. You can set this to daily, weekly, or even monthly, depending on how fresh you need your data. Next, you'll need to specify the days of the week that you want to receive the report. Let's say, for instance, you only need the report at the beginning of the work week. Simply select Monday or any other combination of days that suits your workflow. Time is the next selection. Here you decide what time of day you'd like the report delivered to your inbox. Maybe it's most useful first thing in the morning, or perhaps you prefer to review it over lunch. The choice is yours. You also have the option of receiving the report as an attachment, if that would be more beneficial for you to review offline or share with colleagues who prefer that format. Now let's talk recipients. You can add multiple people to receive the report, ensuring that everyone involved has the latest information. Just remember that recipients will see the report data as it's tailored to your setup. Speaking of setup, you'll need to decide whether to run the report as yourself, or perhaps from the perspective of another person in your team. This can be handy if roles or permissions differ across your organization. If you want to add specific conditions to trigger the report, there's an optional section to do so. This allows for an even more tailored approach, sending reports only when certain criteria are met. Finally, once you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it, you're now subscribed to receive your report straight to your inbox at your preferred schedule.